Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK and our topic is the earth, our home, unit 5 revision. Okay, now we are going to learn in detail about the earth, our home. Here we can see the earth, our home. So, Earth, time you look up the sky and see the star, you are looking at a sun. In the another galaxy, if you were on another planet looking back at our solar system, you would see our sun as a star. So here we can see a galaxy and so many various types of planets and also sun. So here we can find the sun is a star and big star, and each time you look up to the sky and see a star, you are looking at a sun. And another galaxy, if you were on another planet looking back at our solar system, you would see our sun as a star. So here we can find there are many types of planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, these is a solar system and galaxy. So, here we can find a galaxy and it called a solar system. So, sun is a big star and yellow star. So, it's believed that every sun has planets orbiting it. Our Milky Way, a galaxy, has more planets than it has a star in our solar system. So we have eight planet. Here we can find we have eight planet. So, which types of planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, these are our planets, and our solar system in we have eight planets. So, in this eight planet, the solar system, the sun is a big star, and then Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So these are our solar system planets. And the sun is a big star, big yellow star. So the in detail we are going to learn about earth. So here we can find the earth photograph and other planets. So earth is blue in color. Here we can find the earth is blue in color. So earth is the third planet from the sun. So, Earth is a third planet. Here we can find Mercury first, Venus second, and then Earth third. So, Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and it's believed that the name Earth is around 1000 years ago. So, the name of the Earth is around 1000 years ago old, and Earth is only known planet to support life and was formed around 4.54 billion years ago. So Earth is a third planet from the sun. It is blue in color, and the Earth is the planet on which we have lived. So we live on Earth, and Earth is the only one planet to support life, and it was around 4.54 billion years ago. So the name of the earth is around 1000 years ago old. So the earth is a round shape and blue planet. So, why is Earth blue? Here we can find the Earth is blue in color. So, Earth is flattened at the north and the south pole and is found to block at the equator. So, Earth is the only planet in the solar system that does not have its name after any Roman or Greek god. So, the Earth is only one planet then, in the solar system that does not has its name after any Roman or Greek god. So, Earth is the only one planet among the 8 other planets that support life. So, the Earth is support life and only one planet that which we live. So, Earth is the dearest planet in the solar system. Earth's surface is covered with 70% water and its atmosphere contains oxygen. So, Earth is made up with land and water. So, the earth is made up of land and water, and earth's surface is covered with 70% water and its atmosphere contains oxygen, the most important essential of life. So, without oxygen and water, life cannot exist. So, we depend on oxygen and the water. So, the most important essential of life is oxygen and water. So, we depend on oxygen and water. So, the earth is made up of land and water and most part of water, and that's why we find that earth is color in a blue. So, earth is the planet which we live on. So, we live on earth, and it's the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet to known to have a life on. The Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago, and it is one of the rocky planets on inside of the solar system. So, the Earth is only one planet in the solar system that uh, planet which we live. So we live on earth, and also earth is a made up of land and water. So most water is the major part of the earth. We find that we find that here that most part of blue. Why it is blue? Because the water covers the major part of the earth. Then here we can find that earth is revolved round the sun. Here this is the sun and it is the earth. So earth is revolved round the sun. Revolve round the sun, and Earth is made up of land and water. So earth is made up of land and water, and earth is revolved round the sun. So water covers the major part of the earth, and the largest water bodies are called the ocean. The major part of the earth is covered with water, and this water called ocean. And earth has air all around. Earth has air, and air is oxygen, and it called our atmosphere. So the earth has take 24 hours to rotate on its axis. So earth is rotated on its axis and also revolve around the sun. So the earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis, and rotation of the earth causes day and night. Why the day and night become the earth is rotation, and that's why we can see day and night. So a small model of the earth is called globe. So what is a globe? So small model of the earth is called globe. So now next here we can find the solar system. So it is a galaxy and it is a solar system. So as the here we can find in the middle the sun. Sun is a yellow star, and these all are planets, 8 planets. So, the solar system includes the sun and all the objects that orbit around it due to the gravity. And these includes things such as planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids and moons. So the solar system formed around 1.6 billion years ago, and there are 8 planets in the solar system. The 4 is inner planets. So the 4 is inner planets, and the 4 is outer planet. So in the solar system there are 8 planets, and 4 is inner planet and 4 is outer planet. So inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And while the 4 outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So there are 8 planets in the solar system, and it is called a solar system, and 4 is outer planet and 4 is the inner planet. So the inner planets, also known as the terrestrial planets, are smaller and made mostly a rock and metal. So the inner planets are made up of mostly rock and metal. So children, you all are understand about solar system and earth. Now we are going to learn what is a globe. So what is a globe? So here we can find the photograph of globe, and the small model of the earth is called globe. So we find in a globe in our science laboratory in a school. So a globe is a map of earth shown around a ball. So globe is look like a ball, and map and globes can show us how to the earth can be divided in a half. Globe show that the Earth is divided in a half. The different halves are called hemispheres, and Earth is divided in a half. So here we can find land and water. So Earth is made up of land and water. So the Earth is mostly water. Of the Earth is covered in a water. So, most part of the earth is covered with water, and the big bodies of water on earth are called oceans. So, these are the oceans, photograph of oceans and big bodies of water on earth are called oceans. So, the big pieces and the big pieces of the land on earth are called continents. So these are the land called continents, and big bodies of water is called ocean. So the earth is made up of land and water, and most part of the earth is covered with water, and it is big bodies of water called oceans, and the big pieces of the land on the earth are called continents. So, children, you all are understand that what is the ocean and what is the continent. So now we are going to learn in next slide, and it is the oceans. So what is the ocean? Here we can find the blue in a color. Earth is a blue in a color, and these are the oceans. So oceans covers about 71% of the earth's surface. Oceans cover about 71% of the earth's surface, and the huge body of salt water on the earth surface is divided into five major oceans. So oceans are into five major parts. First, the Pacific Ocean. Second, the Atlantic Oceans. And the third, the Arctic Oceans. And number four, the Indian Oceans. And number five, the Southern Ocean. So the major part of the earth is covered with water, and these large water bodies are called oceans, and oceans are divided into five major parts: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. So, oceans are covered with a major part of the earth. So children, you all are understand about oceans. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's our exercise. So, in this lecture, we will going to learn so many various types of things, and about solar system and ocean. So, the Earth is our home. We are learn about the solar system. That solar system is so many various types of planets, and these are Saturn, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, four are the inner planet, and the four are outer planet. So, in this solar system, we find that four are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are the four is inner planets, and four is outer planets, and it is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So it is our solar system, and we find that sun is a big star. And then we learn that it's believed that sun has a planet's orbit it, and Milky Way to galaxy has more planets than it has a star. So there are eight different planets in our solar system, and these all are our planets, and our Earth is in number 3. And then we learn that Earth is a blue in color, and it is a round shape, and most part of the earth is covered with water, and that's why it is blue in color. And also, we learn that Earth is a third planet from the Sun, and Earth is the name is around 1000 years ago. And Earth is only one planet to support life, and it was a form around 4.54 billion years ago. And then we learn that Earth's surface is covered with 70% of water, and its atmosphere contains oxygen. So, Earth, uh, Earth has air all around, and it is called atmosphere. Earth has air all around, and it is called atmosphere. And Earth is among the 8 planets to support life, and it is mostly we find that in Earth's surface we find oxygen and water, and without oxygen and water we can't live. And then we learn that Earth is a planet which we live, and Earth is revolved around the sun, and also Earth is 24 hours to take rotate it exists, and it cases day and night. And then we learn about solar system, that the solar system include a sun and all the or other object of orbit. And in our solar system, sun is a big star, and other is a planet. So 4 is inner planet, and 4 is outer planet. And what is a globe? So globe is a map of the earth, and also model of the earth, and we find in our uh, science lab. And then we learn that land and water. So land, earth is covered with most part of water, and it is called oceans, and oceans are divided into 5 major parts: the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. So, children, in today's lecture, we learn about the Earth, our home. Hope you all are learn and enjoy this uh, lecture. So now we are going to do exercise, and you also write with me unit 5, the earth our home revision, and you all are right with me. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So, number one, first, the blank is the planet which on which we live. So, which we live on? Here we can find a photograph of Earth. So, we live on Earth. Okay, very good, children. So we live on Earth. And then number two, the Earth revolves round the blank. So Earth is revolved round the revolve round the sun. Very good. So earth is revolve round the sun. And number 3, the earth is made up of blank and blank. So earth is made up of land and water. So the earth is made up of land and water. So major part of the earth is covered with water, and blank cover the major part of the earth. So water, number 4 is water, because the water covers the major part of the earth. Okay, very good children. And now number 5, the largest water bodies are called. So which uh, what we call the largest water bodies are called all the oceans. We know that the largest water bodies are called ocean. So repeat, number 1 is the earth is planet on which we live. Number 2, the earth revolves round the sun. And then number 3, the earth is made up of land and water. Number 4, water covers the major part of the earth. And then number 5, the largest water bodies are called oceans. So now next, number 5, the largest water bodies are called oceans. Then number 6, the earth has air all around, and it called the air around, and it called the atmosphere. So the earth has air all around, and it called the atmosphere. Okay, very good. Now number 7. The earth take blank to rotate on its axis. So how many times the earth take to the rotate on its axis? It's a 24 hours. So the earth take 24 hours to rotate on its axis. Very good children. And now number 8. The rotation of the earth cases blank and blank. So the rotation of the earth cases day and night. Day and night. Very good. And now number 9. A small model of the earth is called. So the small model of the earth is called globe. So a small model of the earth is called globe. So here we can find the sun and earth. So the earth is the third planet from the sun. So children, you all are enjoy. Very good. Hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time. Also students, and don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.